Finally, some ice. Time to make the annual outing up camp in the islands. We really aren't trying for anything specific here, just excited to get out. Got some decent perch up here in the past, but nothing to ever really write home about. Like I said, it's more or less just a chance to get out and enjoy a beautiful day. So let's drill some holes and drown some jigs.
Find any oil over there, Lindy?
What? Finding the oil?
Yeah.
Nope. Not today. I almost thought I had an aneurysm seeing the price at that Sitco.
Oh gosh, yeah.
I'm like $4.29? Seriously?
I know, it's crazy.
I gotta come drill a hole by you now. Here we go. Little one.
You're not skunked, honey.
Now, if I came out here and got skunked, we'd have a problem. Found them. They're in this hole only. There's no other fish in this lake. Ooh, there we go. That's a good one. Starting to get to that size. Just about the end of our ice fishing day here on Lake Champlain. It's like my third or fourth trip out this year, and we're having fun. We figured we'd start jigging some perch out in the bay. We've got a couple perch, nothing really huge, nothing big enough for dinner anyway. And things were slowing down out there, so we figured why not come in and set a few tip-ups up here. We got an area up near the camp that's got a lot of weeds, kind of a lot of shallow mixed stuff, and in the summers we catch a lot of bowfin, some pike and pickerel over here, and have seen the occasional sheep's head. So we figured for the last hour and a half, 2 hours we're out here, let's come do a quick set of that. And just we were finished putting the last tip up, spin around, and flag. Ran over to it, didn't get it on video unfortunately, but a super nice, healthy young pike, probably 20, 21 inches. Nothing to write home about, but first real fish caught ice fishing this year, so pretty excited about that. So, we got everything set back up here, and now we wait. Give me another one. Give me another one. Come on. Come on. Do another one. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again! I like fishing way more than hunting. Like, openly admit that. Hunting's really cool and exciting for the first couple hours, the first couple mornings you're out there, but after a week and a half of not seeing anything, it's kind of miserable and feels like work. Fish is the land of opportunity. Every time you pull something through that hole, or every time you set that hook, you never really know what it's going to be.